We have Wendy, who joins us again with the first alert forecast. Hi, Wendy.
Hello, and we're finally starting to see some improvements. We are getting those clearing skies for the overnight time period, and it will be cooler on Sunday than it was today. So tomorrow we're going to see our temperatures in the upper 70s for daytime highs. Today we saw our temperature high about 83 degrees. And then we have a cold front coming in next week, which will bring us another opportunity for rain. But right now things are really beginning to improve. We've got the showers located out here in the Atlantic. The cloudy weather is sinking on down to the south. So we're left now with partly cloudy to mostly fair skies all across our region. And we're not expecting to see rain tonight. So things are going to be nice and quiet tonight as things begin to clear up and clear out. And you can see this band of clouds that stretched all the way out here into the Gulf of Mexico. And that now is sinking southward, and it's dissipating as it does so. So we're eventually going to be cleared out completely from all of this. We've been getting just a couple of spots of rain, primarily around the Tampa Bay region, but most of that is not going to be affecting us for tonight. So we're not expecting to see anything in the way of rainfall for this evening. And the dew points have come down. They've come way down, and that's what's giving it that feeling of crispness in the air. So you can see 40s and 50s across northern and central Florida, and that's making things feel a whole lot more comfortable out there. Winds too are coming in out of the northwest, and they've really died down. Earlier in the day we were getting winds of up to 18 miles per hour, but now throughout the overnight time period we're seeing 5 to 7 to 8 mile per hour winds. Down to the south of 11 mile per hour winds now in Venice, but those two are going to subside as the night wears on, and eventually we're going to see those winds shift around just a little bit and come out due north, so that'll really push everything out of the way. And today we did have a high of 83 degrees. You'll have to take my word for it. And here it is. 83 is normally what we should be seeing. Actually, it was a high of 80 degrees. 83 is average for us. And then we had an overnight low last night in the 70s, the mid 70s. But we are going to see those temperatures a little bit cooler tonight. So right now we're already down into the 60s. We've got 173 degree reading over here in Longboat Key. Otherwise, we're looking at temperatures mostly in the 60s, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures drop just a little bit more. And believe it or not, we're now dealing with the 15th storm. Oscar is tropical storm strength again, and we are also going to be seeing Oscar very likely becoming a hurricane probably by tomorrow. The good news is it's way out here in the Atlantic. It's not going to pose a problem for the U.S. mainland. Winds now at 65 miles per hour, moving very rapidly towards the southwest, west-southwest, and then it's going to swoop on up towards the north and east and eventually move back up to the colder waters of the North Atlantic. So we're looking at the system becoming a hurricane by tomorrow, 75 mile per hour winds, and then it makes the curve on up towards the north and east. Still very strong by Wednesday, category 1, but it will be dying down once it moves over the northern waters of the North Atlantic. And in the meantime, this is what it looks like if I can get out of here. Here you can see it. This is Oscar right here, and you can see the front that's going to be pushing it and interacting with it, and that front will help to bring it moving it on up towards the north and east. And in the meantime, we've got another frontal system that's going to be moving across the country, and this is the one that's going to be affecting us by the middle or by the end of this upcoming week, and we've got a very good chance of rain with that system coming on through. So this is what it looks like over the next several days. You can see a temperature reading of 78 degrees tomorrow. We're back up into the 80s with no rain all the way through Wednesday, and then Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday, that's when the next front is going to be coming on through and affecting us. This map just switched over because we went past midnight, so everything just changed up. Taylor?